In this video, we will walk you through the process of using the WriteText component in RPA Desktop Design Studio to write data to a text document as part of your automation workflow. To begin, navigate to the Toolbox pane and select Data Writer under Utilities. Here, we will find the WriteText component. Drag the WriteText component onto the design surface where we'll configure the input fields. First, pass the path to the text file we want to write to. This is a mandatory field. Second, this is where we pass the actual string data that we want to write to the file. This is also mandatory. Finally, we'll select the Boolean value to determine whether the new string will be appended to the existing file data or replace it. If set to true, the string will be appended to the file. If set to false, it will replace the existing data in the file. This is another mandatory field. Now we'll connect the ports. Control-in connects to the Control-out port of a previously executed component. This is mandatory to trigger the workflow. For Control-out, and this port is optional, connects to the Control-in port of the next component in the workflow. Let's test our component. We'll select Run under the Design tab. As part of this use case, the user needs to input the value they want to write to the text file. Once the execution is complete, open the test file to see the output.